Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable Bluetooth on MSI Claw. And to do this we have two different options. First one is to click on the battery, Wi-Fi and sound right here in the bottom right corner. That way you should be able to find the Bluetooth. You can click on it on the icon itself to turn it on and off. When it's blue it's on, when it's white it's off. If you want to connect any device, you can click on the arrow next to it. Make sure that it's activated and your device is in discovery mode. That way you'll be able to connect it. And the other way to do it is to click on the start, navigate to the settings, enter Bluetooth and other devices. Here you will find Bluetooth and you can turn it on and off. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.